When your Black& Decker trimmer motor won't start or spin, there are several systematic troubleshooting steps you can follow to identify and resolve the issue. First, check the basics. Ensure your trimmer is properly plugged in, or if it's cordless, verify the battery is fully charged. This simple step resolves many motor issues. Next, carefully inspect the power cord for any visible damage, such as cuts, frays, or exposed wires. A damaged cord can prevent proper power delivery to the motor. Clear any obstructions from the blades and around the motor housing. Tangled grass, debris, or string can prevent the motor from spinning and may cause it to overheat. If the motor feels hot or has shut down unexpectedly, it may be overheated. Allow it to cool completely before attempting to restart. This cooling period prevents damage to internal components. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, the problem may be one of these common motor-related failures that require more detailed diagnosis or professional repair. Regular maintenance, including cleaning motor vents, proper storage, and using correct replacement parts, can prevent many of these issues and extend your trimmer's motor life. Now we'll address the most common electrical and operational problems with Black & Decker trimmers, including wiring issues, motor overload situations, and reset procedures. Wiring problems are a common cause of motor failure. Start by consulting your trimmer's wiring diagram to understand the correct connections between the motor, switch, and contact plate holder. Systematically check each connection point. Look for loose wires, damaged insulation, or corroded contacts. Red wires typically carry positive current, while black wires are ground connections. Motor overload occurs when the trimmer is working harder than designed. This triggers built-in protection that shuts down the motor to prevent permanent damage. The most common causes include cutting too much vegetation at once, setting the cutting height too low, or using dull blades that require more power to cut effectively. To resolve overload issues, reduce the amount you're cutting in each pass, raise the cutting height, and allow the motor to cool completely before restarting. Regular cleaning of motor vents prevents overheating. Unlike some power tools, Black & Decker trimmers typically do not have dedicated reset buttons. This is an important distinction that many users overlook. Instead of searching for a reset button, focus on identifying and fixing the root cause of the problem. Check power connections, clear obstructions, and allow adequate cooling time. To test if your motor is faulty, disconnect it from the trimmer and connect it directly to a battery. If the motor doesn't run with direct power, it needs replacement. Other components that commonly fail include the trigger switch, which may not send power to the motor, and the line push button, which can stick and prevent operation. Regular maintenance prevents most motor problems. Clean motor vents to ensure proper airflow and prevent overheating. Lubricate blades regularly as demonstrated here. Safety is paramount when working on trimmers. Always unplug the unit or remove the battery before performing any maintenance. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes during operation and repairs. By following these troubleshooting steps for wiring, overload, and component issues, along with proper maintenance and safety practices, you can keep your Black & Decker trimmer running reliably for years.